equation with algebraic fraction. Okay, it's my last concept in this session. So I have to make what? Now, we have reached the final part of our lesson, so concentrate, please. Solving equation with algebraic fraction, many students think that's the hardest part of the chapter. But once you learn the method, you will realize it's actually very straightforward. It's not difficult, really. Okay, we have some key idea and golden rule as we used to do. We don't like fractions in equation. We don't like fractions in equation. Equation don't like any fraction. So our first goal is to get rid of them. Okay? How can I remove the denominator? If you have any denominator, how can you remove it? How can you remove my denominator? The answer is simple. First, multiply every term in the equation by the lowest common denominator. So take the lowest common denominator and start to make what? To multiply every term in the equation by it. So let's take an example and make our golden rule. You write an example here. He asked me to solve. If you want to solve an equation, it means what? It means the final thing you want to see in your answer is variable equal number. If you want you to solve, it means you don't want to see anything except what? Except x equal something. Okay? So before we start solving, ask yourself one question. What is the first thing you should do? Should you cross multiply? No, never. The first thing you always do is removing the fraction. Equation don't like fraction. By multiplying every term in the equation by what? By the lowest common denominator. Okay, let's do it together. Where is my lowest common denominator? Do you remember? Why we see 2 over 5 minus 3 over 8? We do what? The first thing, we multiplied 5 by 8 to get the lowest common denominator. And we will do the same thing here. We multiplied x plus 1 by x plus 2. So you will get your lowest common denominator. I will write it in very detail. The lowest common denominator is multiplying all the denominators together, which is x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Easy? Then multiply every term by it. So let's do it together. Here, if you want to do it, put your new denominator. As it was here, we will make it parallel, huh? 8 multiplied by 5 gonna be 40. Minus 40, this is your new denominator. So you will write it here as the same. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So you will write your new denominator, x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. And here is your new denominator, x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. And here is equal 1, doesn't make any difference. Then you have to make what? Let's remember here, you multiplied 8 by 2, gonna be 16. So you multiply x plus 2 by 8. So gonna be 8 multiplied by x plus 2 minus. And then you multiply 5 by 3, which is 15. And here is negative as it was up. And here is negative as it was down. So you will make what? Here you will multiply 5 by x plus 1. So it's 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Very good. Now we have to make what? We have common denominator. As we have common denominator here, we will start to put 40 and deal with the numerator, which is 16 minus 15. You will deal with that here as it will exactly. So you have to make what? Put the denominator, which is x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay? Then up, you have to get what? Huh? Who can tell me? You have to put it here. 8. Huh? Yeah, very good. So you multiply 8 by x plus 2, so gonna be 8x plus 16. And here is minus 5x plus 5. Very good. Then you have to make what? Don't forget equal 1. Then you have to do what? Here, 8x. Ignore the denominator. You don't have any work with the denominator now. Look at the numerator. 8x plus 16. And start to distribute this negative. Negative 5x, negative 5. Over what? Over the same denominator. I didn't change it. X plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. I didn't change it. All of that equal 1. Then what is the next step? Yeah, deal with the like terms. 8x minus 5x gonna be 3x. Plus 16 minus 5 gonna be plus 11. All of that over the denominator, I didn't change it. X plus 1. And here is x plus 2. All of that equal what? Equal 1. So what is my next step? Who can tell me? Who can help me? Here. Yeah. I can start to make what? I can start to deal with that over 1 over 1, and then you make cross. Do you remember? So here you have to get 3x plus 11. It's gonna equal x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Yeah, now you make what? Now you did what you want about get rid of the fraction. You don't have fractions here, right? So you have to do what? Who can tell me? Okay, start to continue. Here is 3x plus 11. And here you will take this x and multiply it by all the fraction. So gonna be x squared plus 2x. And then take this one multiplied by all the fraction. Gonna be plus x plus 2. Then you have to make what? You have to do 3x plus 11, which is equal x squared plus 3x plus 2. Very good. Now you have to make what? You have to put all the terms in one side and the other side will be 0. So can it be here x squared plus 3x plus 2, and now minus 3x minus 11, all of that equals 0. Okay, now you have 3x with negative 3x. You can deal with them together. Then you finished x power of 2, plus 2 minus 11 is going to be minus 9. All of that equals 0. Now you have to make what? You have to factorize. How can I factorize x squared by minus 9? Difference squares. Do you remember our last session? Yeah, you will put it here. X squared is splitting into x and x. 9 is splitting into 3 and 3. And here is positive and here is negative. All of that equals 0. Then you have to say x, maybe x plus 3 equals 0. Or x minus 3 equals 0. So x may be equal negative 3 or x equals 3. And now you solve with your question. So your final answer x negative 3 or x equals 3. Okay? Did you get it? Any problem? Any question? Okay, we will move to the next step, which is about what? About solving past paper exams. So stay with